What's up guys, just one day left for Huawei's Mate 30 Pro and leakers still didn't stop leaking stuff. Today we've got the live hands-on videos, unboxing videos, official posters leaking all this stuff, leaking its full specifications, full features of camera, battery, display, design and chip. But Huawei might not release Mate 30 devices in some areas due to the lack of Google services. More on that later, so watch this video till end. So Mate 30 Pro is the first phone of Huawei to come with 88-degree waterfall screen with full HD plus resolution, and if you look at the Mate 30 Pro from front, you barely, and I mean barely, see any side bezels. It's just a full display up front, while the Mate 30 still have side bezels, but they are now really thin. And just look at the bottom, that is just incredible. If you consider this illustration or software work, so no, these are the real life Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro, and both phones have in-display fingerprint scanner, while the Mate 30 Pro also has 3D facial recognition, which is now much better and much faster for secure face unlock. Now if you look at the back of the phone, it's having a circular quad camera setup with this ring around it, which looks beautiful, but other than the beautifulness, it is a much powerful camera setup. It uses industry's largest sensor, which is 1 by 1.73 inches with Huawei Mate technology and 40 megapixel resolution, another 40 megapixel high resolution cine camera which uses 1 by 1.5 inches of sensor size with that same Huawei Mate technology, and with ultra wide, or I would say 120-degree field of view, 8 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom and 30x digital zoom, and less 3D camera. Now that's just Mate 30's camera hardware, camera specs. Real features are now coming. So now it is officially confirmed that Huawei Mate 30 Pro can shoot a 7680 frames per second super slow-mo videos, which is a really crazy feature we are going to see in a smartphone camera. The highest slow-mo videos we can record through smartphone is 960 frames per second in Note 10, S10 and a lot of other phones, but it is even 8 times more slower than that of 960 fps, and it's all possible because of the 40 megapixel cine lens. Now for the first time, Huawei will also be bringing a video night mode feature. We've seen night mode in photos and we've also seen night mode with front cameras, but now it is coming in videos as well with the help of AI and latest Queen 990 chipset and this new monstrous camera setup. Video games, especially in low light, will be on a completely new level. Now along with the video night mode, Huawei will also be bringing some major improvements in their normal photo night mode, and along with that, it also has professional camera level natural depth of field with real-time depth info. Under the hood, it will rock a current 995G chipset with 4500 mAh battery, 40 watts wired charging and 27 watt fastest wireless charging. It will also support wireless reverse charging like the old flagships of Huawei, but the major thing which was the phone is software. So it is coming with EMUI 10 based on Android 10 but without Google. Yes, there will be no Google applications or services running on this phone because Huawei didn't get the license for that, and I've seen a lot of comments saying that without Google no one will buy this phone, but Huawei will surely sell millions of units in China. But as for the other markets, now I'm also confused. Yeah, I know there are a lot of different ways to download Google applications, and Huawei is a very big company. They will also provide you ways to download it, but seems like Huawei is not that much confident as it was before. According to any information, Huawei will not launch their Mate 30 family in Europe. So this is indeed a very bad news for those of you who are watching from Europe. After all, Huawei will be unveiling this in Germany and not selling there. Hopefully we get some more information on this pretty soon. So subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and also if some of you can afford extra for me, then it would really be appreciated. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you soon.